Hey everyone, is your Vent USB drive failing to boot? Whether you're seeing a black screen, boot errors, or the Ventoy menu never appears, the problem is usually caused by incorrect BIOS settings, secure boot, a corrupted ISO, or an outdated Ventoy installation. In this full guide, I'll show you several proven methods to fix Vent not booting, so let's get started. First, unplug the Vent USB drive and connect it again. Open File Explorer and make sure the drive is recognized by Windows. If the USB drive isn't detected, try a different USB port or another computer. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Verify that USB boot is enabled and confirm whether your system is configured for UEFI mode, legacy BIOS mode, or both. Ventoy works with both modes, but your ISO file must be compatible with the selected boot mode. If secure boot is enabled, make sure you're using a recent version of Ventoy that supports it. If prompted, complete Ventoy's one-time secure boot key enrollment. If you're troubleshooting, you can also temporarily disable secure boot to see whether it's causing the issue. Now check the ISO file you're trying to boot. If the download was interrupted or the file became corrupted, it may fail to start. Download a fresh copy from the official source and replace the old ISO on your Vent USB drive. If you're using an older version of Ventoy, download the latest release and use the update option. If the update doesn't solve the problem, back up your files and reinstall Vent on the USB drive. Finally, boot the same Vent USB drive on another compatible computer. If it works correctly there, the problem is most likely related to the firmware settings or hardware compatibility of the original computer, and that's how to fix Ventoy when it's not booting. By checking your USB drive, BIOS settings, secure boot configuration, ISO files, and Vent version, you can solve most boot problems in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.